Okay, video 4 in the series on the pizza cutter. This time we're going to create the rivet. The rivet. The rivet is what holds the two guards and everything to the blade and puts everything in there. So I'm going to start off with a new sketch. Create a new sketch here. And what I'm drawing, I'll show you, is I'm going to draw this profile. And once I create that profile, then I can revolve it around a center point, just like we did for the other drawings, for example, like when we did the bottle. And so all I'm going to literally do is draw the profile. 125 goes straight up to 0.136. There it goes, comes over 0.051. Okay, so it doesn't like that. So this dimension here for that size is accept. .05. Okay, good. And let's do a fillet. So now that has a radius of 0.15. Dang, you're high. So I can do a fillet yet. It's got to come up here. 0.016. Now I can do my fillet. Well, that's not right. Let's try it down here. That's not correct either. Sometimes you gotta be able to just look at it and figure out what's going on here. So I need to have according to this comes down exactly 0.2, comes in exactly 0.01. Okay, now let's try that one again. There we go. Show you that one again. So don't give up on it. Figure out what it is you're going to draw. Okay, very good. Just so long as I've got that. And then I need my fillet for up here at the top. And that just does not look right. Actually, I'm just going to put a point right here. And that's not right because it has to be doubled. And trim. And so we've drawn it, we've built it, we've created our profile, it needs to go in. And then we're simply going to do revolve. The axis being this line. Okay, very good. Spin it over and look at the bottom. And again, we're going to make our lovely little round edges because we don't want to have hard edges usually when you're creating something. So we're going to do a 3D roll it with a 0.02. 0.02. So I just rounded the inside. And that. So that we have a nice smooth lip. See the difference now? And then pick a color, any color. I don't really care. Let's go for why not canary yellow? Didn't save as. So you're just going to get out of your folder and Rivet. Congratulations.